feel of any image and swap faces. I'm going to do it quickly in ChatGPT. So I'm going to head over to Pinterest and grab an image that I like real quick. I'm just going to right click, copy the image, jump back over to ChatGPT. I'll start by saying hi, yada yada yada. It's going to ask me if I want to use a source image. Yes. Okay, it's going to ask me to upload or paste. I'm going to paste the image that we borrowed from Pinterest. It's going to analyze the image. Analyze the image. Alright, so now it's asking me if I want to upload an image of myself, or well, definitely not myself, or I just want to replicate the look and vibe. I'm going to hit yes. So please upload So I'm not going to upload an image. I'm just going to jump over here to Google. I'm going to grab an image of famous Teyana Taylor. Alright, so we're going to use this image. I'm going to right click and copy. Back over to our GPT. I'm going to paste the image in. Upload. Okay, so it's got the identity, all of the specifics. Now it's going to ask me, how do I want to proceed? Do I want to create a prompt, or do I want to generate? You can generate the prompt if you want to generate the prompt. I guess you can sell the prompt, you can share the prompt on Facebook, but nah, we're just going to hit generate. I'm just going to type image, and now the waiting game is going to wait on the results to see what we got. I love to play the game for show. Oh shit. Alright, so I played with this image earlier. This is another variation, but so far this definitely is my favorite variation. You gotta wonder, what did you eat, man? What did you eat? Alright, so this is our rendition, our last rendition, but we're just gonna play around just to see the versatility and what this custom GPT can really do. So I'm gonna just we're gonna create another image. We're gonna get started again by saying hello, hi. Alright, so start. So now back to the same question, same process. Do you have a reference image? And yeah, we're gonna use this one as our reference image. We're gonna copy, we're gonna paste into our custom GPT, yada yada yada. Wait for the upload. Gonna analyze the image. Yes, we want to replicate the vibe and feel. Hit yes. Now, do you want to upload an image of yourself? Yes. Alright, so let's grab our reference image. We're going to use Alright, right click and copy. I'm going to paste it over here. Custom GPT. And we're going to hit upload. It's going to analyze the image, yada yada yada, facial geometry, bone structure, natural structure, age characteristics, hair density. And do you want to create the prompt? We don't want to create the prompt. In this case, we're just going to generate the image. We just want the image. And it's the waiting game. Oh shit. Yeah, the expression is priceless. What did you eat? What did you eat? What did you eat? Damn, this is crazy. So I want to view this just a bit bigger, so I'm going to download this real quick. You're going to open inside of Photoshop. Damn, girl. So if you want to have some fun and create these like crazy custom images, you could use the link in the bio to download my custom GPT, and yeah, man, just have some fun. So until the next video.